Ishmael, the standing order is self-explanatory. The motion has brought to me, and I have approved. Don't argue with me. Were you in my office when the motion was brought? Honorable Ishmael, were you in my office? You were reading the standing order. Proceed. Proceed. Honorable members, let me remind you once more that I don't work with you in my offices, and you are not there when I approve the motions. All of the statements which come to this house, you are not in my office when I am approving them. Therefore, you cannot challenge me that I have not approved. Because, Honorable Ishmael, you yourself at one point, I have approved your statements, but you are not there when I am approving it. So get guided properly. Move forward. Proceed.
Mr. Speaker, thank you again for the opportunity. And Mr. Speaker, I want to state as follows, Mr. Speaker. Now, saying, Mr. Speaker, I was not able to go to offices, Mr. Speaker, because so many officers had gone to see what was happening, Mr. Speaker. And even when I was called also to see what was happening, I saw a contingent of GSU officers